Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, well not today, a couple of days ago, had a leak in the kitchen. Now it's not the sort of leak you can eat, it was the sort of leak that makes a mess, and it happened to be the flexible pipe that goes from the supply of water to the dishwasher, no it's not the dishwasher, the washing machine, but it was a long one. It's a long 2.5 metre pipe and it passes over the top of the dishwasher. And where it had been there so long, 13 years, so it's lasted quite well, but in that time it's gradually had a lot of vibration and worn away, and it was in quite a poor state, and I hadn't realised it had been leaking, not until I put my hand on top of the dishwasher and found out that it was a puddle of water on top. So this is how we went about changing it. I had a little bit of assistance from my wife. Grabbed another pipe from Screwfix, not sponsored by Screwfix in any way, but I'll quite often go there for bits and pieces and parts. So yeah, here's how it goes. So pipes are now disconnected. Bowl down there to catch the drips. So we've got both machines disconnected from the mains. That's just a bit of backfeed water. That'll stop in a minute. So next is slide this out. I've disconnected the waste hose. It stinks a bit. So drainage pipes are disconnected and any residue has been drained into the bowl. I can now slide this dishwasher out. I might put a little bit of board under there just to sort of make it easier to come out. And while I slide it out, feed the drainage pipe back through, and then we'll know what we're looking at. So you can clearly see now where the pipe has been leaking, where it's been resting on the top for the last 13 years. I think I put this in. And this is what it's done to the top. Totally out of sight and unknown, but we'll clean that up. Try and get it looking a bit more presentable. So we've now got the units out, and with help from my wife, she's holding the pipe that's coming off so we don't get too much water spilt in. So it's a case of disconnecting the blue one, replacing it, having a bit of a clean up, pushing it all back in, connecting back up. So just got the pipe off and you can see it's not in a very good condition. It's all expanded, and there's a nasty kink, and it's been there a long time. So excuse my dog. Good job, we're going to replace it. So new pipe is here. We just got to cut into that. I've got new washers as well, because I'm never sure whether the washers that they supply on these pipes are good quality or not. But, my assistant could just cut it open for me, thank you. And get it out of the bag. There we go. Okay, another little cut needed there on that. So, well, I've got some snips up there, if they're easier. That's it. Put that up there. So that one's already got a washer in, as this in. So I guess that must be a spare then. Okay. Right. Just hope it's long enough. So flat end goes across there. So thread all the other end up through that hole. Try not to kink it. It is going. So my good lady wife suggested undoing it and getting the kinks out, and that's worked a treat, so well done to her. So that's all ready now to slide back in. We've given it a bit of a mop out, clean the top off and slide it back in. So washing machine now back in. Pipes are being threaded through there, and I now need to thread them. Once I'm down, put the waste, this one, back through there. And the supply can go back over there. Oh, technical issue. I've got it the wrong side of the waste pipe. Let's come that side. So I would like to clip something up there, hold that in place so it doesn't rest on the top of the machine when it vibrates. So that will stop that from wearing out quite so quickly. So I'll screw the bracket on. So this time the pipe is going to sit in there and stay off the top of the dishwasher. That's it. I'll push this back in. So the new pipe comes over the top to connect up to there, and the original grey pipe will go back onto that one in the corner. But I'm going to change that washer. Now I've disconnected it. So looking down the gap, we've got the two waste pipes coming through there, and then the supply pipes, the grey one and the blue one, looping over the top. And they come there. I've just got to connect them back up now. So we've cleaned and washed that out. I had to dig the old washer out because it's all gone brittle and horrible. So it certainly pays to fit a new washer for something that's been up here this long. That one's got a new washer on it, so we'll go with that one. Connect these, put a new washer back on there, connect it back up. So that's it then. Pipes are all connected. Wastes are connected back. And water's connected. And it's on. And there's no drips, no leaks. We put a new washer in the old pipe, and that's working perfectly okay. Mains water's on. That'll do for now. Machines are back in place. I just got to pull the washing machine out a bit to match the dishwasher. But yeah, job's a good one. So there we go. Wasn't too bad a job. The pipe has been repaired and replaced, and the washing machine lives to fight another day. We'll see you in the next video.